Okay, welcome back to our final video on how to install Microsoft Office 2021 for free. So this is the final video. I've already done 2 videos. If you have not watched that, go back to the channel and look for that video. So this is the final part. Go to your start button or start menu and set for command prompt. Okay, so it's here. I right click on that, then I go to run as an administrator, then click on yes. Okay, so here you write cd, you write cd space, then go to your desktop where we created the folder. We name it Office 2021 in our previous video. So you come to this side, you click on that, so I click on that and copy this link. Okay, so right click, go to copy, come back to your command prompt, then you paste. So Control V, press enter. Here you write setup / configure. Okay, so configure space configuration, right, configuration .xml, right, then press enter. Then if you follow this one successfully, it will give you this prompt. Okay, it will ask you to start installation. Press it yes. Because for me, I've already installed a Microsoft Office, it will give me this prompt telling me that we can't install. Okay, to install this product, first uninstall the following product, because I've already installed Microsoft Office on my device. But for your case, because you have not installed it, it will give you this prompt, or to give a different prompt telling you to install it. Just click on yes and you wait for the installation to be completed. Okay, so these are the steps that we follow to install Microsoft Office 2021 for free. If you have not watched the previous video, go back to the channel and look for those 2 videos and add it to this, and you'll be able to install Microsoft Office for free. Comment on the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for educative videos. See you soon.